Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing well. Today we're going to do some fish curry.
1 kilo of fish.
With bone, I'm using with bone. The fish I'm using is a fish called rohu. You can use any fish, whether it's bone or boneless. We got some curry leaves, red chilies, green chilies, 1 onion, coriander to garnish,
8 to 10 cloves of garlic.
chili powder, turmeric, coriander seeds, poppy seed, fenugreek seed, salt, about 40 grams of tamarind, 3 inches of cinnamon, about 8 to 10 cardamom, about 30 cloves, and 2 or 3 teaspoons of cumin seed and cooking oil. Now we'll blend the spices. Let's add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, around 30 cloves, 8 to 10 cardamom, and approximately 3 inches of cinnamon, 3 teaspoons of poppy seed, and about 2 to 3 teaspoons of coriander seed. Once we blend this, we'll add the onion and also blend it together. Let's first blend this. You can see the blend of the spices. We'll have to cut the onion and we will blend the onion along with the other spices just now. I'll show you how to do that. Let's start cutting with the onion, and then you have to slit all the chilies. We're not going to grind the chilies, we'll just use the chilies while we're cooking the fish. Now we'll add onion and garlic cloves to it along with this. We'll add the one full onion which we cut into pieces. We'll blend all the spices together now along with the onion. We'll use about 5 cloves of garlic,
And we'll keep the rest of garlic for garnish.
There you go, that's the paste. You can just add some water to soak the tamarind, and we'll squeeze the tamarind juice and we'll use it while we're cooking. Add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil with 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, about half a teaspoon of fenugreek seed. We'll add all the red chilies what we got in here, the 3 cloves of garlic while we are doing the garnish initially, along with the rest of the spices.
Add curry leaves.
Just fry for just like 30 seconds, and then we'll now add our
Blended spice paste.
reduce the heat a bit while you're cooking if it's too hot. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric, add about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of salt, add the green chilies, all the green chilies which are slit, and there we need to cook all these together as we go along. Make sure that it's not cooked on high flame. Make sure it's not caught at the bottom of the pot. And try and use a flat pot to make sure that you fit all the fish pieces nicely in the pot. This is a traditional fish curry which is done in Andhra Pradesh. It's from the southern part of India, and it's one of the best dishes of fish a lot of people enjoy. Now you add the red chili powder, We use a lot of red chili powder. I'm adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chili powder. It depends on how hot the chili powder is, and it depends on your taste buds, how hot you want. But I'm just making it the normal way we make it. So you can actually adjust the taste based on the heat what you want. The spice is almost fried. As you can see, it's almost dry. You're cooking on a low flame at this point of time. As you can see, you don't see any water content in there. So now it's ready for us to put the fish pieces in. We'll try and take all the fish pieces, put them flat on. Let me just wash my hands before I can proceed with the rest of the procedure. Now you added the fish into the pot. So we can't really use a spoon to turn the pieces regularly. I mean, you have to do it in a different way. I'll show it to you just now. If you move the fish a lot, I mean, you're going to break all the pieces and you'll not really enjoy the fish. I mean, you'll just eat smaller pieces of fish. We have increased the heat a little bit and cook the fish like this for, let's say, maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. And this is actually the way to stir the fish so that you're not really using a spoon and it doesn't break. It's cooking. Let's put the lid on for now. Keep stirring the pot from time to time, otherwise it will get caught at the bottom. You have to keep mixing the fish so that it's cooked evenly on all the sides. As you can see, it's getting cooked nicely. Leave it like that for 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure that it's not on high flame, otherwise it will be caught at the bottom and then you'll not taste it right. Keep the lid on, and then we're going to use, I put some water in the same blender which I used to grind so that we don't waste any of that spice. We'll just use it when we're cooking along with tamarind. So while we're waiting for that, let's squeeze the tamarind a bit. You'll not put any of the stems or any of the pulp of the tamarind fruit into the into the fish. We'll just use only the water. Now we are ready to put the tamarind water. Just make sure that you don't allow any of the pulp to go in. The water which we actually trying to get from the other thing. Let's add everything together. Now make sure you stir the pot nicely. We need to definitely add a bit of more water on top of this. Whole fish. Don't need to add too much. Fish cooks much faster than other meats. So it's just to make sure that it's covered evenly. Stir it constantly, the way I'm doing it at the moment. And leave it to cook. Cover the lid. Yeah, let it cook for 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, and the fish will be ready. Just leave it like this on a low flame. Don't use high flame. Just keep it. Let it cook on the low flame. And then just check, take out the lid, and make sure that you stir it. Don't use the spoon. Just stir it the way I'm doing it. It's almost done now. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, as you can see, it's almost there. Let's switch it off. Garnish it with a bit of coriander and then dish it out, and I'll take it out onto the dish. Lots of coriander. Coriander is always good. I love it. It's all done. Now we'll try and dish it out into one of these bowls. You have to be very careful when you're taking out the fish pieces. As you can see, you have to take it out one by one. As you can see, it's not broken. It's all in one piece. The fish curry is ready. As you can see, it's not really thick. It's a bit watery. That's how it should be. It's very good with rice. Hope you all guys will make it and enjoy it. Hope to see you again soon. If you enjoy my dish, please subscribe to my channel, and my next dish will be Thai green chicken curry. Looking forward to seeing you guys again.